What's up guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're installing a brake pedal tip and an oil filter cover on this 2024 FC350. Our oil filter cover is anodized in multiple colors to match with the TMD brake tip for a clean look. Manufactured from billet aluminum for superior strength, includes a new O-ring for the cover, and is reinstalled with the OEM mounting bolts for easy installation. Our brake tip is also made from billet aluminum, which is stronger than the OEM tip made from stamped steel. Our brake tip is approximately 6 to 10 millimeters wider than the OEM tips. It uses replaceable stainless steel teeth that can freshen it up if the teeth wear down, all while being made in the USA. Now this bike is protected and ready for battle. Check out our website and social media platforms to stay up to date. See you out on the trail.